फूल को श्रृंगार दूँ संभव नहीं, राग को झनकार दूँ संभव नहीं। आप स्वयं में उपहार हैं, उपहार को उपहार दूँ संभव नहीं, उपहार को उपहार दूँ संभव नहीं। ऐसे उपहार स्वरूप FIP2 2021 UGC HRD अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी अलीगढ़ उत्तर प्रदेश के सभी सम्मानित पदाधिकारीगण। यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवत भारतः के उद्घोष को पात पात पर बिखेरने वाले सभी सम्मानित शिक्षक साथियों, आपकी खिदमत में आदाब और नमन। आई एम डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश, जनता PG कॉलेज परसौन, एटा, उत्तर प्रदेश। टुडे I am going to speak about why teachers are important in society. Teachers are arguably the most important members of our society. They give children purpose, set them up for success as citizens of our world, and inspire in them a drive to do well and succeed in life. The children of today are the leaders of tomorrow, and teachers are that critical point that makes a child ready for their future. Why are the teachers important? Let's count the ways. First of all, reasons why teachers matter. Children carry what they are taught at a young age throughout the rest of their lives. They will use what they have learned to influence society. Everyone knows that today's youth will become tomorrow's leader, and teachers have access to educate the youth in their most impressionable years, whether that is in teaching preschool, teaching extracurriculars, sports, or traditional classes. Teachers have the ability to shape leaders of the future in the best way for society, to build positive and inspired future generation, and therefore design society both on a local and global scale. In reality, teachers have the most important job in the world. Those who have an impact on the children of society have the power to change lives, not just for those children themselves, but for the lives of all. Now, how teachers bring change in a student's life. Great teachers have the ability to change lives for the better. Teachers of all walks of life and subjects have the ability to shape opinions and help from ideas about society, life, and personal goals. Teachers can also expand students' limits and push their creativity. Teaching is a tough job, but it is one where you can make the most impact in another person's life. If you are thinking of becoming a teacher, here are even more reasons why you should invest in a teaching career. The next one is role models. The teacher-student connection is is invaluable for some students who may otherwise not have that stability. Teachers will stay positive for their students even when things can seem grim. A great teacher always have compassion for their students, understanding of their students' personal life, and appreciation for their academic goals and achievements. Teachers are role models for children to be positive, always try harder and reach for the stars. The next one is they provide the power of education. Knowledge and education are the basis for all things that can be accomplished in life. Teachers provide the power of education to today's youth, thereby giving them the possibility for a better future. Teachers don't accept failure, and therefore students are more likely to succeed. Teachers know when to push student when to give a gentle nudge in the right direction and when to let students figure it out on their own, but they would not let students give up. The next one is guidance. Teachers provide guidance to students of all types. Teachers are able to see each child's strength and weakness and can provide assistance and guidance to either get them up to speed or push them higher. They are also a source of inspiration and motivation. Teachers inspire to do well and motivate them to work hard and keep their academic goals on track. The next one is education. Teacher do what they Teachers do what they do because they want to help others. They are not teaching for recognition or a paycheck, but because they have a passion for youth and education. Teachers typically believe in the power of education and the importance of providing children with good role model and are teaching because of that belief. They are dedicated to the cause. Uh, Now, at the end, why are the teacher important? Teacher truly are the backbone of society. They are role models to children, offer guidance and education, and give young people the power of education. Because of teachers, countries are able to further develop socially and economically. Next time you or your community achieve something great, take a moment to think of and be grateful for the teachers who made it possible. Thank you.